All right, let's bring back in national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I think the way the Commonwealth used Karen Reed's words, I think it was a mixed bag. But the two that I played, I thought were particularly effective. And the reason I say that is because one helps provide the motive, which I think is maybe a little bit of a weakness in their case, where she talks about arguing. But the other also provides an explanation for cuts on the face of John O'Keefe, which is something that the defense has pointed out as, how could it have gotten there if it wasn't, let's say, a beating of some sort? Well, it was glass breaking. That might have been what put the cuts on his eyelid and obviously on his nose. She's picking glass out of it. I thought those two were particularly effective. Overall, what do you make of that aspect of the Commonwealth's case?
Oh, it's the best part of it. It's the glue that put together Hank Brennan's case. It's the glue, absolutely. So I give this analogy to my staff. I'm going to give it here. It's the analogy of the beautiful salad, right? You look at a salad. It's got the crisp butter lettuce. It's got the thinly sliced shallots. It's got the accoutrement from a chef's kitchen. It's got all these things, but it's missing one thing. It's missing the olive oil and the dressing, right? That's exactly what her interviews are. They're the olive oil and the dressing to this beautiful salad that Hank Brennan has put together. It's got all these individual ingredients. She's glued it all together. She's given it the olive oil. She's given it the dress. Like, she has put it all together. So, because there's one thing that you cannot break. It's the fact that the defendant spoke about certain things, and she has put certain defenses aside. I'll say one thing, Michael. This is the most interesting part of this case is her interviews. One day we will find out the answer to something I'm curious about, which is why she even did these. I won't believe that, amazing attorneys like the ones she would have allowed her to do these interviews. I think she did this over her attorney's objections. And if my assumption is correct and that is what happened, then that makes her a narcissist, because she spoke about a case. She went on a public speaking tour about this case before her retrial, and she admitted to a bunch of things, and she foreclosed certain defenses and threads that her defense attorneys wanted to do. If I'm wrong, I apologize. If her attorneys let her do this, that's one thing. I don't think her attorneys would have done that. Those are apex predators on the table next to her. There's no way they would have allowed their client to have these interviews. And there's so many more clips that we even play here in her interviews that just completely foreclosed tons of options for her and her attorneys. I feel bad for her attorneys, but this is what they have to deal with.